Why temperature matters in cleaning.
When plays a key role in how well we clean surfaces, dishes, or laundry. The energy from hot or cold water affects the chemical reactions that break down dirt, grease, and germs. Understanding when to use hot or cold water can make cleaning more effective and safer for different materials.
How hot water cleans.
Hot water is effective for dissolving grease, oil, and many stains because higher temperatures speed up chemical reactions. It helps detergents break down contaminants faster and can kill many types of bacteria and viruses. Hot water is ideal for sanitizing and deep cleaning, but it may damage delicate fabrics or cause some stains to set.
When to use cold water.
Cold water is gentler on fabrics and helps prevent colors from fading or bleeding. It's effective for rinsing away light dirt, cleaning blood or protein stains, and protecting clothing with special finishes. Cold water also uses less energy, making it a more sustainable choice for everyday cleaning tasks that don't require deep sanitization.
The science behind stain removal.
Different stains respond to water temperature in unique ways. Protein-based stains like blood or egg can become set if exposed to hot water, making them harder to remove. In contrast, greasy or oily stains often require hot water for best results. Matching the temperature to the type of stain helps maximize cleaning power.
Balancing safety and effectiveness.
Using hot water can boost cleaning effectiveness, but also increases energy use and may pose burn risks. Cold water saves energy and is safer, but may not fully disinfect. Choose water temperature based on the type of dirt, surface, and need for sanitization. Combining the right temperature with proper cleaners ensures the best and safest results.